Alright, here we go. I like OG cards. I agree. Not a bad card on the back. First one we have is Marquise Lee. It's numbered 11 out of 99.
Check it out. I'm sending a tweet.
You can't tweet with a pigeon, Grandpa.
You think I'm out of touch? I saved 15% on car insurance in just 15 minutes.
You could have saved money in half that time with Esurance.
Ah, a reply.
And the book is Teddy Bridgewater.
15 minutes for a quote is nothing to tweet about. Start with a quote from Esurance and you can...
It's numbered 8 out of 49.
Welcome to the modern world. Esurance, backed by Allstate. Click or call.
Not available.
Oh, that's sick looking. Look at that. That is sick. That is crazy. That is awesome. Let me go get something to put that in. He's got both of them. First one is Jacoby Jones, numbered 31 out of 99. And the book is Kadeem Carey. And it is numbered 264 out of 299. Jersey and auto. See, I like the Bears too. It's my favorite team. The Bears are awesome. Congratulations, that was pretty cool.